Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to turn the Samsung keyboard into a 2-finger or 3-finger trackpad. So let me explain what I would like to actually show you. So basically, if we will add specific gestures to the keyboard, we will be able to perform some actions. First of all, you need to localize the good lock. There is a probability that you will need to simply download it. You can find it in the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. It's free of charge, so just download it and then enter it. And now in those plugins, we need to scroll and find this option Keys Cafe. So just tap on it. So now we need to tap on the keyboard. Let's tap. And here we've got 3 options. So design, make, and gesture. So let's go to gesture. And here we've got 2 or 3 finger gesture. Of course, you can use both if you want to. I will stick to one, but obviously the whole operation of setting the gestures is the same in both. So you can just learn by looking what I'm doing. So the first thing we need to do is to tap on the switcher to actually turn on the option. And I've got it already set. But basically, all you need to do is to decide which gesture will be assigned to which action. So for example, if I will move 2 fingers on the keyboard up, then it means I will paste something that was copied before. Down, the down movement will copy everything that is right now on the screen. If it comes to the left, then it will move cursor to the front and right to the back. So basically, this is how I would like to set it. So now let me go to the notes. I've got this text here. So what I would like to do is to check whether those gestures are working. So if I remember correctly, if we will swipe down, we will copy everything. So let me try to do it. It didn't work. And finally it worked, and as you can see, this text that was here is copied and it is in the clipboard. So now if we would like to paste it, we just need to move our fingers or swipe our fingers from the bottom to the center, so something like that. And as you can see, it was copied. The move left was assigned to move the cursor to the front, so something like that, I believe. Or I've got some kind of problems. And as you can see, the cursor is right here, and to the right it should be at the end. So this is how it works. I really highly recommend to check it because it might take some kind of practice. However, after you will practice those gestures, they could be really handy. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.